हेलो गाइस, आज हम ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर 10 के बारे में कुछ करने वाले कि एग्जाम में कैसे टाइप क्वेश्चन आ सकते। सो वेरी वार्म वेलकम बैक टू द यूट्यूब चैनल. So let's start geography. So in geography it can come any questions like chapter 10 it can come, okay? So it can come chapter 10, chapter 11, any chapter 10 it can come many questions. And so we should be prepared, okay? For example, it came question number 6, first one. Example, I will tell one question. Yes, for example, the question is, the growth of city takes place in Mumbai. Then you said how you should learn. I suggest that you should take keywords by learning it. From keywords, the study becomes very easy, like any difference between then you should use keywords. Then this geography, it will become most easy answers. You in everything you should use keywords, okay? You should search keywords, okay? So you should write this way, okay? You will write the keywords like people from example, they're given growth of city takes place in a specific manner. Okay, I saw इसी का study whatever. Okay, so for example, given growth of cities take place in a specific manner, then you should solve something keywords on it. Okay, you can add your own points. Okay. For example, in that given people from surrounding regions come to work and day by population of village increases. Then you will write and you will use keywords and you will write it. The people from surrounding regions come to work and day by population of village increases. You can rewrite that. People from surrounding regions. You should remember surrounding regions come and work, you should remember, okay? Population of village increases, that you should remember, okay? You should use on every sentence a keyword. If we don't form this, what will become? Yes, very brief answers, long answers like short notes, brief answers, it will make very easy. It will become very easy and you can easily learn it on the exam, and from you will have a pass also from that. So this is really, this is the the values of keywords. So it was about keywords, okay? So you should always learn keywords. You should search keywords, okay? And you can write many fatty mills, energy plant and multi-purpose have been started in the new project. Multi-purpose have been started in the rural area. So you can use keywords like many factories, mills, energy plant, and multi-purpose started rural area. That you can underline the keywords. Then afterwards you must learn that keywords. Then in exam it will become easy, and in exam you will automatically add in that all things, So you should learn this way. Learning has some methods by doing. You should make it easy. You should. Learning has some method. Oh yeah, people. Oh yeah, students. People from surrounding regions come to work and thereby population of village increases. You can write that. And to fulfill their needs, medical facilities, food service, food hospitals, and are developed it. You should remember this. You should do examples. Then in last you will write hands and you will write the questions. So it should be on this you will write this way, okay? Yes, the second questions can also come the brand city of your imaginations, okay? So on that you can you can write keeping in future growth of cities, various civic amenities are planned. You can write that. And the recent concept of smart city proposes planned development of existing and new city. You can write that, And Chandigarh, Delhi, Navi Mumbai are similar planned city of my imagination. For on that you can also use the keywords. You can remove something. You can underline the important things, and you can use our keywords on it. Okay. This was the second question that it can come. It will come. I know. They will ask more answer in brief, answer in detail, short notes. They will ask this type of questions. So you should learn and you should be prepared by this. And you should learn that question that which comes in more marks, which has more marks than that. Then you will earn the little more marks you will earn. You will earn the best marks, So you have to do it, okay? So this is that. And next question comes. So next question can come. How is industrialization cause of urbanization? Yes, this can come on that exam, okay? So you will write industrialization is calculus of urbanization. You can do one thing on the first point. You can you can write a meaning, like you can search another word for that, like catalyst is another word of change. Then you can write industrialization is change of urbanization, okay? Because if you feel that word is hard and if you not remember on the exam, then you can search another word on it, okay? Like this migration of population increases the speed of urbanization grew rapidly because textile mills started on a large scale in this place, okay? So for started, you can for this you can write for grew you can write developed. You should search in new words. You should search that another word for that. For that it will become very easy to understand and it will become very easy to by heart in the mind. Okay, you should write this in the mind and it will become very easy. You should put on the mind this. This is very important thing that you should learn. Okay. So you can use the keywords on that. Industrialization is change of urbanization, right? Then this you can underline migration of population. This English is speed of urbanization. This is the keyword that you can use. If you forget this word, then it's okay. You should use keywords. It will get marks more. Like Mumbai developed rapidly because textile mills started large scale place. Okay? So this is the keywords on that you should use. Keywords are the more important things. Okay? Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay? So I hope आप में मजा आया होगा. तो आपको इसमें कीवर्ड्स यूज करना चाहिए. ओके. हाँ, जैसे कि पोल्यूशन के बारे में दिया. पोल्यूशन एज अ प्रॉब्लम then आप लिख सकते हो. इट इज मेनली रिगार्डेड एज अर्बन प्रॉब्लम. The term pollution is derived from the word to pollute. You should remember this, okay? Which means contamination. ये सब आपको याद रखना है. You should remember. So pollute means to cause damage to the ecological balance by adding pollutants, okay? तो आपको इसका नया वर्ड ढूंढना है. इसका another word, okay? Like ecological, जिसमें आप इसका मतलब है environmental, eco-friendly. You can write on that. तो आप ये है लिख सकते हो इसमें. इसी टाइप का. आई होप आपको मजा आया होगा. आपको कुछ सीख मिली होगी. आपको नए कीवर्ड सीखने चाहिए. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. आई होप यू एंजॉय. थैंक यू. एंड टुडे टास्क की जो भी मैंने सीखा है, जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है, ये बस आप रिवाइज करोगे. ये टास्क मैं लिख देती हूँ. तो मैंने जो भी सीखा है आप लर्न करोगे. प्लीज टू दिस टास्क. ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क है. ओके, आप इसे रिवाइज करोगे. ओके, और आप कीवर्ड्स ढूंढोगे. तो ये जो आपका टास्क प्लीज डू दिस, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क है एग्जाम के लिए. यही पूछा जाएगा. तो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. ओके, 1 minute. So friends, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel, and please subscribe Princess Naya channel. Thank you friends. Bye.